Today is a very auspicious day for us because we have been blessed with a new sponsor, with a sponsor whom we were struggling, who have extended a helping hand, to us so that we can go ahead. In fact, I was just thinking of ending up this year, winding up because of the financial constraint that we were going through, and like an angel they came to me and said, we are there, we will help you to reach out to these boys. Don't stop training children and go ahead with your good work. I would like to thank Paradeep Phosphate and their family who have come ahead to extend their hands. And although their CMO was here present, who took his time out, I like to thank him also for extending his time and giving a word of advice and motivation to the boys. And I also thank the parents who had come here, taking their time. First time the parents also came around and they got to understand what we are going to achieve now. Thank you. God bless you all.